welcome back to my channel. Today we have another first impression, and this one is of Marc Jacob. This is Editorial, and I got this in a haul video, and if you want to check out that haul video, I'll have it linked above and below in the description. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Very, very pretty. If you are new to my channel, my first impressions is where I try to put all the shades on my eyes, and this one is not challenging for me because it's 7 shades. Just to get a feel of the formula and see how I feel about the palette, the colors in it, the color story, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and I have already done everything to my face except lips and eyes, so let's get started with the eyes. I'm going to start with this color right here. It says, "Take a Memo." You know what? Before I go further, I forgot to do swatches. So let me do the swatches and I'll be right back. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. And I'm thinking it'll be easy to work with, but I thought that with the last palette I reviewed by Marc Jacobs, and I was wrong. So I'm not going to say too much yet. I think for starters though, I am going to go in with this color right here. I guess I've already laid down a base, but we're going to go next into this third color in called We'll See. Okay, next color we're going to go in with is this one right here. It's Enviously. Okay, so now I'm going to cover the eyelid with this color right here. This is Pleather Python. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here called Everywhere and darken the creases. Alright, so now I am going to go in with this silver color here. This is Making a Scene, this one right here. I'm going to use this black one again everywhere and the outer edge of the bottom. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Next Season. Can't see it on here, but it very much is a pretty shimmery color. Okay, eyeshadow is on. It's a little kind of crazy today because my eyes are watering really bad. But we're still gonna go with it. Yep. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is in the color Coffee. And this is just for the bottom eyeliner. Alright, so for top liner, this is what I'm using. For mascara, I am using Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions. my lips, I am using Fenty Beauty. Let's see, what color is this? What's your number? And I think that'll do it. Let me see. There's the finished look. Okay, so my eyes are watering really bad, so the corners are kind of getting messed up really quick. I can't help that. I have really sensitive eyes. And today is just going to be one of those days my eyes water like crazy. Alright, so let's talk about the palette. The swatches were super nice. The colors, of course, I love and are very beautiful. This is kind of more neutral for what I usually wear, but it's still a gorgeous palette. I am in love with this color right here, if you can see it close. It's very, I don't know what's the word, but it's so pretty in person, I can't even tell you. And I'm loving the silver color next to it too. It's super, super pretty, both of them super pretty. There wasn't as much kick up or fallout in this palette as there was the other one that I reviewed, so I found that interesting. I also found this palette a little bit more blendable, so yeah, that's kind of different. But otherwise, I still think this is a great palette. Very much so in love with the formulas that Marc JACOBS creates, and I do absolutely recommend this palette. So that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and otherwise I hope to see you in my next video.